Hello everybody and welcome back to another 450 production update. We've got some exciting news this week. Our first production 450 will be going together, and we have the primary colored parts here in the shop. The fenders have been painted, and this is quite a new color for us. This is a custom, we're kind of calling this a mustard yellow. The customer has requested this specific color. And let's see if I can pull one of these down. We can take a look at it without messing with the pinstripe. So this is the rear fender, obviously, of the Halcyon 450. These fenders, as you all probably know by now, are made by us, specifically by Brent, down at our fabrication shop. And they are formed on our proprietary tooling, and then they have a beautiful beaded edge, which is different from the fenders we have used in the past, which are roll formed, and the fender, it just rolls over, so you don't see this beautiful beaded edge, which both looks good and serves as a nice termination, but it also adds a huge amount of strength to the fender. So this is the rear fender, and we have the front up here as well. Just beautiful. Quite the combination. If you'll notice in the light, you can see that there's a little bit of a haze around the pinstripe. That's the release agent that Kelly uses when she's pinstriping, so that the stencils come off smoothly. The next step will be, once this is installed, then the bike gets detailed and that all gets cleaned up, leaving the perfect but hand-done pinstripe in its place. So we have front and rear fenders. The tank, which is right down here, is not pinstriped yet, but Kelly will be doing that later, and maybe we'll get some footage of that as well. And this is really exciting because we've never done a bike like this, and for this to be the first 450 is quite exciting. Other updates, I took 2 of our 450 prototypes up to northern Michigan over the weekend and got some fantastic, beautiful riding in up there in the Petoskey Harbor Springs area. There's the scenic M119, they call it the Tunnel of Trees up there, and it's a very narrow, twisting road that runs right along the coast of Lake Michigan. It's so narrow that you barely have room to get around a car, and it's just beautiful motorcycle territory. It has some hairpin curves and stuff like that. So I was able to take a GoPro up there and get some footage of just kind of behind the handlebars, what it's like. And that country is made for the Janus model line, and it was an absolute blast, just zipping around and seeing the fall colors. So I hope you enjoy that footage. thanks very much for watching. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe to see more of these update videos and more news and updates from Janus. Thanks a lot.